Hello all. Thanks for tuning in. Basically, just wanted to go over some quick, simple um, debugging techniques that you can use. And right now for the IDE, I'm using Visual Studio 2015. In your case, if it's an earlier version, the context menu on any breakpoint is going to look slightly different, but basically you're going to have access to the similar options, and they're going to basically be available right away in the context menu as far as basically different types of conditional breakpoints. But that's mainly the focus in here is the conditional breakpoints, and you can go into that after you've set a breakpoint. Go ahead and click in. And at this point, basically what we're asking for is an expression on when to break. And how that would be valuable is if you have an expression that you want to check. Basically, if you want to say that's true, or if it's maybe greater than, or changed, things like that, you can do that. Other ones for the greater than, generally that comes in place with the way you write the expression, or if you use like hit count, that can be in there as well. So a lot of different options. I urge you to try them out. In this case, one thing we can do here is basically go ahead and get back in there. But basically, what we can do is have it break when, just for simplicity's sake, when I is greater than 10. And go ahead and hit enter on that twice. And basically, if you go ahead and look at my autos window, you'll see right now we're at iteration 0. And I'm going to go ahead and F5 this. And at this point, we are seeing that I is greater than 10. So we're at 11. And pretty much good starting point there. So, and you have meowing. Meowing means that it's good. So, let's see. Yeah, basically that's the conditional breakpoint. Like I said, there are a few other things available in there. Like I said, this is the conditional breakpoint. If you scroll down a little bit, just trying to keep the video small here for you. There are other types of conditions. Kind of peek in here nice and right on that. You can kind of get that right now we're dealing with hit count. And trying to get this full screen, I'm going to go ahead and close the autos window then. And this is yeah, this is wonderful. So basically we can break when hit count is a multiple of 4, something like that. So that's additional expression that you're adding in there. Go ahead and hit enter to add that one, and you can go ahead and close that. And basically, if I go ahead and F5 again, what we're going to see, let me bring up the autos window for us. Oh yes, we're going to bring up the autos window. That's what that meow was for. Basically, I was breaking when the hit count is a multiple of 4. Now, if I go ahead and hit F5 again, it's going to be maybe a little bit more apparent of what that meant. So, let me go ahead and pin that as well. Basically, what we have here is I is now a 19. So basically, you see that the hit count was 4 more, and now we're all set. So basically, yeah, that is where that one's at. There's one more feature in here. I'll just point it out. Won't necessarily demonstrate it, but just to let you know that it is available for you to use. Let me go ahead and hide the autos window for us. But basically, an additional condition in there, you can also filter. Basically, based on if you happen to know a specific thread ID that you want to use, you can go ahead and do that. And that's similar to how the expression would be. It's just that the equal sign wouldn't be doubled up in like you would normally use in C#. That's the only nuance there that you would, how you'd be writing it. And that's how they have in the example as well. So, and there's also actions. That's mainly, as it shows, logging into the output window if you do happen to want to, log some text there for your own benefit to just get a better side of the story when that breakpoint is hit. So I hope that all was helpful for you guys, and basically hope you have a great day. Thanks.